7 benefits of dandelion tea. Number 1. Soothes digestive ailments. A lot can go wrong with your digestive system today, but dandelion tea acts as a natural diuretic, digestive stimulant, and mild laxative to keep things functioning as they should. This means that a cup of tea after a meal can speed up the digestive process, eliminate constipation, and reduce cramps and bloating. Number 2. Promotes liver health. This classic liver tonic of folk medicine has scientific research to back up centuries of use. Dandelion tea is believed to increase the flow of bile in your liver, meaning that it can help detoxify the liver and reduce symptoms of liver disease. Research from China Pharmaceutical University even shows that the natural polysaccharides in dandelions can improve liver functioning. Number 3. Helps prevent urinary tract infections. Due to dandelion tea's natural diuretic effects, it makes an effective treatment for urinary tract infections, especially when paired with the herb bearberry. Increased urination from the tea will work to clean out your kidneys, making it harder for an infection to develop. Number 4. Boosts circulation. Dandelion tea's rich iron content provides your body with numerous benefits, including better blood flow. This improves your red blood cell counts and ensures that your entire body stays thoroughly oxygenated. Number 5. Builds strong bones. Thanks to the trace minerals like calcium, zinc, magnesium, and iron it contains, dandelion tea supplies what your body needs to create strong bones and fend off osteoporosis. This is especially important as you age, as bone mineral density naturally begins to decrease without consistent supplementation. Number 6. Helps you lose weight. Evidence from a Korean study shows that dandelions might be as effective as the weight loss drug Orlistat. How does it accomplish this? Dandelion leaves can naturally inhibit pancreatic lipase, which is an enzyme your body releases during digestion that puts your dietary fat into long-term storage in your body. This means that the brew can help prevent your body from clinging to fat so that you can lose it faster. Number 7. Caffeine-free coffee alternative. Sick of seeking out coffee at every lull in your day? Roasted dandelion root tea offers a satisfying, caffeine-free alternative that looks and tastes similar to the real thing. You'll get a powerful boost of antioxidants and minerals without the inevitable energy crash that comes with coffee. This has been the 7 benefits of dandelion tea.